Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to the class. This is Pradip sir with the chapter Compound Interest from class 8 Mathematics. We have started this chapter earlier. In the previous section, I have told you how to find the compound interest and the amount using a formula. We have also calculated the principal and the rate of interest using the formula. So today I am going to show you how to find the time using the compound interest formula. So the formula, as you know, it is A amount equals to P means principal multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100, that is the rate of interest, to the power n, where A is the amount, P is the sum or the principal money, R is the rate of interest, and n is the conversion period. If it is a case of annual rate of interest, then the time and n will be same, otherwise not. So don't be confused with n as time. N is not time. Time is t, but n is the conversion period. Only in case of annual rate of interest, n and the time, that is t, becomes equal. So now we'll find the time when the amount, the principal and the rate of interest is given. So this is the question is, in how many years will rupees 6250 in. So first of all, just go through it, then I shall write the question. In how many years will rupees 6250 amount to rupees 7290 at 8% per annum compounded annually. Per annum, PA means per annum, compounded annually. So again, as I have told you earlier also, whatever information is given in the question, just make a list of it. The question is in how many years. To find how many years, we have to find the conversion period first. So n is not known, question mark. Will rupees 6250 amounts to rupees 7290. So principal amount is rupees 6250 and amount is rupees 7290, and the rate of interest is given 8% per annum, PA. Okay, so let us use the formula to find n first. So A equals to P multiplied with 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So A is rupees 7260 equals to P is rupees 6250 multiplied with 1 plus R is 8 upon 100 to the power n. So first step is to bring this principal under the amount. So 7260 divided by 6250 equals to, here let us find the LCM. So LCM is 100 and it will be 100 plus 8 to the power n. So after cancelling this 0 0, we will get 7. Sorry, it is 7290. Sorry, it is 7290. 729 upon 625 is equals to 108 upon 100 to the power n. Okay. Now let us go for cancelling. So by 4 it will be 27 and by 4 it will be 25. So this sum will become 729 on 625 and this side it will be 27 upon 25 to the power n. Now 729 can be written as the square of 27 because 27 square is 729. Similarly 25 square is 625. So 729 can be written as 7 square and 625 is also written in the form of 25 square. So both are written in this form. 729 by 625 is equals to 27 upon 25 squared. Similarly this side, now compare the LHS and RHS. You can see in both the sides, that is LHS and RHS, the bases are equal. So naturally the powers or the exponent will be equal also. So comparing LHS and RHS, we get n equals to 2. That is, here it is square and here it is n and the bases are equal. So by comparing we get that n is equals to 2. Okay. Now since it is a case of compounded annually, therefore I have told you earlier also that in case of annual rate of interest, the conversion period, that is n, and time are same. Therefore we can write time is equals to 2 years. Understood? So just go through the sum again, the whole thing. First of all, we have to read the question carefully and collect all the informations given in the question and make a list of it, as I have done it here. After making the list, now write down the formula. So since the formula is already written here, I have not written, but you must always write down the formula after making the list. And then one by one substitute the values which is given here. So after substituting, since I have to find n, that's why I have brought this principal amount, that is 6250, under the amount, and then 0 0 is cancelled. So it is 629 upon 625, and right hand side after calculation I have got 27 upon 25 to the power n. So since it is the base is 27 upon 25, I have to write down this side also in the same form. Whatever it is there, base, we have to write in the left hand side the same thing with the power. So 729 by 625 can be written as 27 upon 25 to the power 2, and this side is already 27 upon 25 to the power n. Now the bases are equal in both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. So by comparing we got n is equals to 2, or the time equals to 2 years. Means it is a case of annual rate of interest, that is why n and time are equal. Okay, understood? Okay. One more sum. The formula to find the compound interest and the amount, this one has many applications. This formula can also be used to find the increase or decrease in the population. It can also be used to find the growth of bacteria if the rate of growth is given. And this formula is also used to find the depreciated values of machines, cars and other vehicles. Depreciated value means the decreased value. In case of machines, cars and vehicles, the value decreases every year with a particular rate. Okay, so we can find that value, the depreciated value, also by using the same formula. So one such question is, the population of a town is 1,25,000. The population of a town is 1,25,000. It is increasing at the rate of 2% per annum. At the rate of 2% per annum, PA. What will be its population after 3 years? What will be its population after 3 years? Therefore, first of all, we have to gather all the informations in the question. The population of a town is 1,25,000. It is the initial population. Let the initial population is P. So P is equals to 1,000 to 1,25,000. Here P is not principal. Remember that. It is the initial value. Okay, but it will be treated as the principal. And it is increasing at the rate of 2% per annum. So R is equals to 2% per annum. And time is given 3 years. Time equals to 3 years. So since it is a case of annual rate of interest per annum, annual rate of interest, since it is a case of annual rate of interest, annual rate, therefore the time and the conversion period are same. So n is equals to 3. Better write it here. Therefore n equals to 3. Now what we have to find? What will be its population after 3 years? Let the population after 3 years be A. A we don't know. Okay. So again, let us use the formula. A equals to P multiplied with 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So here P is given. P is 1,25,000. One plus R is given 2%, 2 by 100, and time is given 3 years. That is n is 3 given. N equals to 3. So A equals to. So keep this as it is, 1,25,000, and let me cancel this one, 1 and then 50. So it is 1 plus 1 upon 50 to the power 3. 1, 2, 5, 000. After LCM, 51 upon 50 to the power 3. So 1,25,000. Now let us simplify this. Don't go for making the cube. Just write it 3 times. 51 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 51 and then divided by 50 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 50. Okay. So cancel all the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 5 cancelled. 125 is 25. Then 5 also divides 25 is 5. And the last one is also divisible. So we have to multiply 51 3 times. Okay. So let us do the calculation. 51 multiplied by 51, 1 5, 525, 1062. Again we have to multiply with 51. So 1062, 50013. 5 zeros are 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. 1 5 6 2 3 1. So it is 1 3 2 6 5 1. Therefore, the population of the town after 3 years will be 1,32,651. So understood? Now again go through the sum. The initial population of the town was given 1,25,000. The rate of increase is given 2% per annum and time was given 3 years, that is conversion period is 3. So use the formula, put all the values, substitute, calculate. After calculation we have got that the total population after 3 years will be 1,32,651. Okay. So let me do one more sum. So here is the question. A machine is purchased for rupees 6,25,000. Its value depreciates at the rate of 8% per annum. What will be its value after 2 years? Depreciates means the value is decreased. So this is the rate of decrease, 8% per annum. So from these informations we have to make a list. The machine is purchased for rupees 6,25,000. So principal amount is rupees 6,25,000. The rate of depreciation, it is 8% per annum. Time is given 2 years. And since it is also a case of annual interest, means annual decrease, so here n is equals to 2, that is the conversion period is 2. What we have to find? We have to find the value after 2 years, that is we have to find the amount. Okay. Now the formula. So here, since the value of the machine is going down, decreasing, so there is a little modification in the formula. The decreased value, that is A. A is the decreased value. The decreased value of the machine equals to A equals to P multiplied with 1 minus, here it is minus because the value of the machine is decreasing, 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, understood the difference? When it is the value increases, we used to put plus sign here, and when the value decreases, we have to put minus sign. So A we don't know, P is 6,25,000. 1 plus R is 8%, 1 minus R is 8% by 8 by 100, and N is equals to 2. So rupees 6,25,000, and this value after LCM it will be 100 minus 8 to the power 2. Okay. So A equals to rupees 6,25,000, and this will be 100 minus 8 is 92. So in the bracket 92 by 100 to the power 2. So rupees 6,25,000 multiplied with 92 into 92 by 100 into 100. So these three zeros will be cancelled. Now 5 plus 625 is 125, and 5 plus 10 is 2. 2 plus 92 is 46. So we have to multiply 125, 92 and 46. So 125 multiply with 92 first, 250, 9 5s are 45, balance 4, 18 plus 4, 22, 2, 9 2s are 11, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 9 5s are 45, balance 4, 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22, balance 2, 9 1s are 9 plus 2, 11. 0 0 5 1 1, and then with 46. 0 0 6 5 is 30, balance 3, 6 1 is 6 plus 3 9, 6 1 is 6, 0 0 4 5 is 20, balance 2, 4 1 is 4 plus 2 6, 4, 0 0 0 9 2 5. Once more, 600 600 6 5 is 30, balance 3, 6 11 is 66 plus 3 69, 400 4 5 is 20, balance 2, 4 11 is 44 plus 2 46, 0 0 0 9 2 5. So it is rupees 529,000. That is 5,29,000. Therefore, after calculation, we have got 5,29,000. That is the value of the machine after 2 years is 5,29,000. So hope you have understood the sum and how to find it. We have done so different types of sum. Some more sums are left. We will do this sum in the next class. So practice few more sums. There are so many sums in the exercise, and you can use other books also. So practice few more sums to make your concept clear, and so that you can do any sum based on this formula. Okay, so meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.